Hey everybody, meteorologist Derek Beasley here with the latest look at what to expect for the rest of the week. The heat wave began today on your Wednesday, and it looks like we got Thursday, Friday, Saturday before it starts to back off into Sunday. So several more days of very hot temperatures across the area, and it looks like the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday, are going to be the worst out of this entire heat wave. Forecast for this evening and overnight. Temps right now in the mid to upper 80s, falling back to around 80 here just after midnight, and then only falling into the mid to upper 70s to lower 80s. So that's one of the problems with these heat waves, is the fact that you don't get a lot of relief at night. So you get these hot afternoon temperatures in the 90s to around 100, and then you only dropped around 80 overnight. So we're going to see this for the next 2 or 3 nights before overnight lows start to become a little bit more reasonable as we get towards the latter part of the weekend. Excessive heat warning, I should say, in effect are all the areas that you see in the hot pink. That does include most of the region. There's a heat advisory for western parts of Allegheny County, but heat index values are expected to get above 110 for many locations once again during the afternoon. Now, I want to show you water vapor here. The high pressure ridge is strengthening and building. You can see that big oval in the middle of your screen. And notice how the little blue blobs, those are thunderstorms associated with upper level disturbances that are riding around the outer periphery of the ridge. We call those ridge riding thunderstorms. So they're getting some big storms up in the northeast right now. As long as that high pressure ridge remains in place, we're not going to see much in the way of storm chances across our area. But that is going to change as we get towards, really looks like as early as Friday, but Saturday into Sunday, as the ridge breaks down, we are going to see a little better chance for some showers and thunderstorms developing across the region. Again, temps overnight tonight not dropping much below 80 overnight. Highs tomorrow likely reaching around 100 for many areas. So we'll call it between about 98 to 105 across the area for Thursday afternoon. Heat index values for Thursday, 110 to 115, not out of the question for many areas. And then forecast highs on Friday, 100 to 105 will be very common. We're going to be approaching all-time record highs in some areas, although I do think we stay just shy of that. So we're looking at readings in that 100 to 105 range. If we had 107s, 108s, and 109s, we would be nearing all-time highs across the state of Maryland. And right now, I don't think we're going to get quite that hot. Then we've got a threat for strong to severe thunderstorms on Friday. It's a marginal risk, but there is that chance for some thunderstorms here as we go into the latter part of the week and of the weekend. So Friday's chances look about 20 to 30%. As we go into Saturday and Sunday, though, as that ridge starts to break down, we're going to start to see more of those thunderstorm complexes coming in from the north and west. And so we'll see an even better chance for rain, but it will also shave off the heat that we're seeing here across the region. So endure the next couple of days. I think the worst of it will be between Thursday, Friday, into Saturday, and then looks like things will get back to typical summertime Maryland weather here across the region as we get towards early next week. I'm meteorologist Derek Beasley. Get the latest weather information all the time on emptyweathernetwork.com, and of course, I'll keep you updated throughout the rest of the week on this heat wave.